Hi, this is a Cubase quick tip on how to use vocal samples to do vocal chops in your productions. A little bit like what the Major Lazer does in Lean On. So first, start by finding an interesting sample. So I've already loaded up one in my session. So that's going to be my sample once again. So once it's in your track, right click, create sampler track. So this sample is a C. So the root key here is on C. If you want to change the root key, it's right here. Just click on this here, up and down, so you can change the root key. But here, in this case, it's okay because the sample is C. So that works. You want to set this to a monophonic mode. And also you want to activate the glide. So let's see where we're at now. Too much glide. Okay, that's better. And now the release is a little too long for me. So if you go in the amp here, if you just click on this little logo here and click on release here, the R, and just bring that to the left. That's much better. So that's it for the sampler part. Now you can do some processing on this. You can use quadrafuzz to add some texture. So maybe that's a little too much. Without. With. Okay. Maybe I want to add also a little bit of reverb. So I can do this in my sends here. Add effects channel to send. Reverence. Okay. And let's see. So less. So that's the tip.